Hello everyone, welcome to another AI Talks. Today we're going to play a new type of game. Instead of guessing whether we're chatting with an AI or a human, we're going to guess if an image is generated by an AI or it's actually, a real human. And I think this will be pretty interesting to see how realistic can AI actually generate these images. Right, so the first website I'm trying is Humanize AI. I'm going to leave a link to that on the description below. So before I start, I want to give you like a quick description of how does this actually happen. So the AI will generate these images using a type of model called neural network, and it learns patterns, right? So we feed it data, it learns patterns, and from these patterns, it forms these neural networks that imitate our brains. And because of the large number of pictures, it's going to have, a large number of patterns. And this is where its learning phase comes in. The AI will be shown thousands and millions of pictures, and it learns what objects, colors, and shapes typically look like. For example, it will learn that, okay, the sky is blue and the cats have fur. And if you actually think about it, it is like how we humans learn things as well. So let's start with the game and we will learn more as we play. Okay, so this is the first one. Hmm. See, the background is white, right? Usually it might mean that it has been removed and this is a real image. There seems to be like a lot of details, and the choice of clothes doesn't seem like something an AI would generate. So I'm gonna say this is a photo of a real person. Oh, okay, so it will reveal after I'm done. This one, hmm. Yeah, see, the neck is kind of weird. The smile doesn't seem real. Like it doesn't this just doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna say it's an AI generated one. Hmm, interesting. This is definitely not the background of this picture. As you can see, like the lighting for this image and the background is too bright for it. Therefore, it's either extracted from an image or this is generated. So I'm gonna try my luck and say it's generated. Okay, interesting. This seems like a genuine expression. There are a lot of details there. Very interesting. I think this is a real person. Okay. This is AI generated. Yeah, it's just this side is way too dark. And this is like the lighting doesn't make sense for this to be a picture. Unless it's like on purpose. Otherwise, why would you take a picture like this, right? So let's see if I got all those right or wrong. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so interesting. That is so. I guess it was him, but it was generated. And okay, this one was right. I got the AI ones. Ah, you guess it was a human, but it was generated. These two are generated? That is so interesting. Yeah. Okay, so this has to be on purpose because like let's say which one is a human? You guessed a human. Guess are these all generated by AI? Oh, only this one seemed the most one that was generated. This is so interesting. So they don't have to be like a very typical passport image. It could be like random images, right? So this should open our eyes more. Okay. So when you ask the AI to create an image like this, you see like these four are generated by an AI. It uses what it learned to imagine something new. And this is why it is able to generate, right? So that it doesn't necessarily mean that these people are actually real people. However, it might have seen this type of hair in some images, it might have seen this type of smile. And so that's why sometimes it generates these very weird images because it is piecing in different parts of the things it learned. However, it's getting smarter and it's now able to piece in pieces that make sense together more than before. So, yeah, let's see. Going to try another one, another website. This is the other website I'm gonna try. This is AI or Human. I'm gonna share the link on the description down below, so make sure to check it. Okay, let's maximize. Okay. That is true. Human or not. It's actually scary, not gonna lie. Oh, so it's a student project. That is really interesting. Okay, let's start the game. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay, so it's not just images. I'm also going to guess if the text is generated by AI or human. This is really good. Okay. Oh, you thought fake news was bad? Deep fakes are where truth goes to die. Uh, this this is not right. Um, there are typos. This is weird. Would an AI do this? These mistakes seem too big to be a human, but if it's a good AI, it won't make these mistakes. So I'm just gonna go that it is, but these are too big. It can't be a human. Oh, so is this generated or real? The background is blurred perfectly. Like it's not a blur where it's like out of focus. It's like as if it was painted to be blurred like this. I am suspecting that at least this part is AI generated, right? Let's see. Let's zoom in. Hmm. The eyes are not the same size, and that's okay. They don't have to be. Will the AI think about giving her this on her lips? I don't know. I'm gonna say it's generated. Ah, yeah. Will disappear 1,000 right? Uh-huh. Um, I'm gonna say this is written by a human, just on a first glance. Ah. Mm, this seems like a very genuine expression. However, it's easy to replicate a happy face. It's not hard for an AI to generate this face. But will it generate this face? I'll say it's a real human. Uh, mm, okay, hear me out. I think a human used an AI to generate this. Like an AI wouldn't think about generating something like this, obviously. And then a human used AI to generate. I don't know, just on first glance. Because of this. I don't know why. Oh, I feel like this might be a trick. It very much seems like it's an AI, but it might be a real human. I don't know. I'm just gonna say it's an AI. I'm gonna speed through this. AI. Real. AI. Oh! Okay, I'm really bad at these. I need to get better at these. Wow. Will it tell me? Okay. So it was written by a human. I said it was written by AI. Ah, so it was too bait and it was actually a human who made all these mistakes. Yes, I got this one right. Honestly, right now I'm just gonna focus on the images because the text I didn't even read all of it. So I got these two wrong. Oh, so this is general. Okay, see, yeah. it was easy for an AI to generate this face. Makes sense? Yep. See, this was too bait. Generated by AI. Okay. I speed I speed run through these. These are real humans. Makes sense. I don't know why I said maybe I used the same logic here, the blurring thing. Though this seems like a hard expression to replicate. It's not, it's like, you know? Yeah. Yeah, this definitely is a human. It's really hard to replicate this as well. And by hard I mean like it's not a straightforward emotion. Like it's not just happy. It's like she's happy, she's looking at the side, she's thinking about something. It's a complex emotion right there. It's not straightforward. Let me show you an example. This seems like a neutral happy face. It's a very straightforward face. This one is a straightforward face as well. It's not very complex. However, this is a complex expression. This like has a smirk and a smile and 50-50. Yes. Okay. Um awesome. So it looks like I need to work on my AI detection skills. And we need these skills for the future. We need to actually be able to tell if something is fake or real, right? And so let me finish this by mentioning something that I wanted to mention earlier. During training, the AI looks at a lot of images, right? And it learns how the patterns of pixels, values related to objects. For example, it might learn that clusters of blue pixels often mean sky, and that certain arrangements of pixel colors form eyes in faces here. And that's why earlier I was like, this is smaller than this, so maybe it wasn't able to generate it well, or it didn't piece the pieces together well. However, like it does understand this is an eye, this is an eye, but does this eye fit with this eye? Yeah, it needs to keep learning more to be able to produce more accurate results. Look, if you actually look carefully, this seems like a different eye than this one. Like it might be from two different faces added together, even like the eyebrows and the eyelashes, if you noticed. Yep. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.